question says that a silver wire of resistance 2.1 ohm at 27.5 degrees centigrade and a resistance of 2.7 ohm at 100 degrees centigrade. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistivity of the silver. So this question talks about the temperature dependence of resistance, that is given by the formula R at temperature T equals to initial temperature, or the reference resistance at reference temperature R naught multiplied by 1 plus alpha, that is the temperature coefficient of resistivity, multiplied with delta T, or the difference in the final temperature and the reference temperature. So in this question we have been given the initial temperature, initial resistance at that temperature, final temperature we have been given, and the final resistance at the final temperature has been given. Now in this formula we have been given all these four values, that is RT, R naught, T and T naught. We have to calculate alpha. So in this substituting all these values in this formula, we can easily calculate alpha. We will get a value of alpha as 0.00394 per degree centigrade. Thank you.